So hey, what's up, guys? We're back in Indiana, and look at this cute. I don't know what we're playing, but look at this cute dog. Yeah, look at this dog. It's a boy. If you don't know. Oh my God. Okay, good job. You've been kissing it for too long. At night, there's gonna be fireworks. I forgot to do it on July.
We forgot to take the fireworks.
Oh shoot, yeah. It's okay. But we're gonna see a bunch. Trust me, there's gonna be huge. It's gonna be better than it's gonna be much more better than the one that I recorded. But
that we recorded.
I recorded. But at my house on 4th of July.
Yeah, and I have my phone too.
Yeah, whatever. But anyways, guys, like the video, subscribe. Look at this house. Come here.
So you're gonna have red.
So guys, we're on the other side.
Yes,
this is my cousin. Oh yeah. Yeah. This is.
My name's Keeland.
Yeah.
Ooh, dabbing unicorn.
No, stop. No, that's gonna be cringy. No, don't even. Those are old boats over there.
Hey, yo, it's your boy.
Dabbing unicorn.
Oh yeah, I remember. There's like, hey, it's your boy.
Skinny Pete.
I can't say bad
Good
words.
evening, Twitter. It's your boy Eat That 445 here.
But anyways,
I might be a YouTuber if my dad lets me.
yeah, she might be a YouTuber.
Where?
Cause I started it and she wants to be it also.
I wanted to be
Everybody, I started YouTubing and then everybody on my block is like, oh, I want to try. It
No,
looks cool. I
wanted to be a YouTuber since I was 3. I started recording myself since
I started this year. Oh, look at that. There's fireworks on the other side of the lake. Guys, look at on the other side of the lake. Oh, fireworks.
I see.
Ooh, green, red. And now the sounds are going to kick in.
No.
It's so weird. It's like a thing comes on the other side. It's like, poof. You just see, and then finally the noise actually comes in.
It's about
Yeah.
a mile
Do you guys
away.
want to sit here?
This is a mile away, you think? I thought this was at least like
shoes on.
3. Do you have
Got
shoes
my
on?
J's on.
Jays.
Forgot to
Not sponsored, but anyways.
If
So
Jordan
we're
sponsored you, you'd be rich.
yeah, exactly.
That way.
How do you even get sponsored? Well, the way you can really get sponsored by is like talking about it and saying it's a good way to wear it, how good it is.
Yeah.
You can. Did
There's
you
another hot
literally?
Another hot air balloon.
Where? Oh, there's no way. Oh yeah, I see it. I see that.
Not called a heart.
Well, the thing that I just want to kick in.
Lantern. There you go.
Lantern. There you go.
We
Hot
have
out.
one. I have
Like
one.
in China, they do.
Yeah, they always do that. Wait, when do they do it on New York? No, like New Year's.
New Year's. Yeah, New Year's. Theirs is like on.
There's like
There's
two.
national.
There's like two. Oh, more fireworks. Okay, getting that action.
There'll be some that flying.
Yeah, there's gonna be like 200 of them at least here. That's one. Wait,
They spend like $2,000 on them.
how? Why?
It's donations to the lake, and they'll have professionals come in.
So they're probably all just getting it ready. There's like 2. Every time it actually gets better.
What?
1 year,
Color is yours?
My lantern? Just red.
it's red like all the others. There's so much boats. You can literally see all the boats like over
I
there.
love beach ball floating.
Look at all those boats. Like green, blue lights. Are those actually old boats over there?
No.
Old? No, they're all pontoons. Most of them are pontoons.
What are pontoons? Like the ones that you have? Yeah. Why? Because there's more people on them and they just want to relax and see it. Probably. Look, I see a hot air balloon too. Is that a... do you think that thing in the sky is a hot air
That's a
balloon?
star.
You think so? Oh yeah. We got a turtle. JS. Okay guys, we got a turtle. We gotta let it out. You can't probably see nothing. Like, we'll actually go inside. Where is it? Right over here. Wait, I want to get some lighting.
Grew bigger.
What?
Actually grew bigger.
Where is it? Oh yeah, see it. I got a turtle. I'm gonna go and get some lighting so I can get better quantity. Is that yours?
Nie, przez który mi?
Wait, is that to see them? We can see some lights. Hope so. Hopefully. See the turtle? Right there. Look at that turtle. I like turtles. Turtle. We're gonna let it go.
Okay, let it go. Say bye bye.
Wait, what's that song? It's like
Let it go.
No, the other one.
Oh.
It's like a much more softer voice. It's like da na 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 na.
I believe.
No, it's and then at the end. And I hate it when I had to let it go.
Come on.
Wow. I don't know if I have to not censor it, but like, shut up! No, stop, because so I think I have to like censor that. So I mean not censor, like so no one can hear it, because that could be what is it called?
Copyright.
Yeah, copyright.
Right there.
What?
Right there.
Why? Turtle, here, have some food.
You threw the turtle?
Yeah.
Bye, turtle.
Look, what even happened here? Is it still like? Yeah, it is.
Did you try it?
No! You're gonna sink like hot sand. Oh, I see some up there.
And there was a lantern.
Which one? Oh, wow! One just came up. I
haven't had popcorn
want
for a
some
while.
popcorn. You can literally see nothing but the fireworks.
And the lantern.
Yeah, and the
And
lantern.
trees.
What?
Trees.
Oh yeah, trees also.
And
Yeah.
lights everywhere. That looks kind of like downtown.
Look how. Yeah, someone already did. There's two over there. He's recording his phone. I'm only putting his phone in. Not sponsored. Why do people even? Oh yeah, you already told me. Look, there's some on the other side.
Janice, do you remember your friend's name?
Which one?
I should go get my lantern and light it.
Okay.
Okay, if you want to. Okay. Look at that.
Light it together, all three of us.
No, you can light it, you and him, if you want to. I don't really need. I'm holding the camera, so.
Yeah. Go around.
My brother's already getting ready. He's getting ready.
We're done and ready. Yeah.
Oh my god, look at that little face. Right on my camera.
Wait.
Oh my god, how cool is that? What animal is that?
Your camera quality is so much better than mine. Look at this.
Look at this.
Look at this.
I got better. What the?
You dropped the phone, I swear to God.
What the?
Ooh!
See my- What the?
I hope you can see this, but.
Oh my
Ooh! You said that for
I must be with your father.
I said fudge.
fudge. Oh! Okay, well, that's karma. That's karma. That's karma. Karma.
You heard?
That laugh.
You just say, ooh, you said the bad word
You
fudge,
heard?
and then you hit yourself in the
You heard?
Yeah.
You got all fingers?
No, I think I lost one.
Fudge.
Look, there's another one!
Let's go.
Oh my god.
Your mama is
So-
coming, your mama.
So. No, I'm kidding. No, I'm kidding, Mama. Ja wiem. You wanna go by the fire? That'll be better quality over there. Sorry. Cut to the camera over there right now. And we're back. We can sit on the fire. Much more better. We can actually see something. Can I sit here? What? Over there? No. Fine. See you back on the deck. I'm back. Woo! They're starting! They're starting! They're starting! Oh, wow. Sorry, guys. Oh, my God. It's starting! Beautiful. Look at that! It's coming! Look at that! Beautiful. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my God.
Alright, let me finish this off.
And boom!
Alright, instructions, blah, blah, blah.
Okay, I'm just gonna record this. Oh my goodness.
I feel like today's perfect.
Yeah,
Yeah, but it's not. 2 days early.
no, 2 days late.
Yeah, 2 days,
4th of
whatever.
July was on Wednesday.
Yeah. Today's Friday?
Unless there's a
Saturday.
different country or state that celebrated today.
That's beautiful.
Alright, so where's these
I
lighters
can't
here?
believe that they spent $2,000 on
Around there,
that.
yeah.
Like for that one
Here, can
moment.
you shine your light on here?
Yeah, what? I don't have really that much light. Sorry. Now I'll record this. Where is it? Here it is. Well,
I think I just have to light this right here.
You at the bottom?
I think I broke
Yeah.
my tooth because I'm not hitting
A nut.
and I bit it.
Did that feel good? Did it feel good?
No, it hurt.
Alright, you want to hold this up for me?
Me?
I mean, whoever has open hands.
Wait, time out. I could do it. Wait, time out.
I'm on.
Do you have a lighter?
Yeah.
Let's see it.
Got matches.
Let's see it.
So you just let it go?
Yeah. No, just let it like.
I think this is where you light it.
You think so? Yeah, this part. I think this one, right?
Yeah, the
So
black.
when it's light up, you just let it go?
It's still going
Guess
a
we're
little
gonna
bit.
find out.
Oh shoot. Hopefully we do it correctly. Okay, that didn't do none. Fireworks are still going. I think it stopped. Nope, it's still going. And these ones are pretty.
Ouch.
Now
You
what?
good?
Now what?
Oh no, it burned. Uh-oh.
Now what?
Is that?
not good. You may want to drop this in the lake.
Sure, wait. There's some metal. Yeah, drop that in the lake. Okay, we got that. And it went off. Oh shoot.
Well,
I think that was probably the
I
part
don't think that's where you light it.
You think so? I think that's where you light it.
Okay, hold on. Let's see your thing again.
Lighting?
Yeah.
I think I broke my
Oh my
think you
goodness,
broke
stop.
this.
I think we...
Directions. Hold on. Let's see that.
Sorry.
Direction, pull lantern by gently swinging the lantern air, holding the bamboo. Remove wax paper from the center. Oh, okay. Well, it's removed. Okay. Like holes or rips. Check for, yep, damage. Okay. Okay. Lantern, heat up for 5 seconds both.
Whoa.
Okay, so where do we light it?
And another one.
On its side. Hold lantern upright. Have a helper light. This must be done carefully to succeed.
We probably
Drip
did not
of wax
succeed.
dropping a burning fuel patch. Watch hair close. Let it heat up. Alright, well, let's just try this again, I guess. Here, hold it up.
We definitely have damage though. That's the worst part.
Yeah, we have
We could see it off the...
Still work.
You probably chipped and didn't break it.
Here, can you shine your light on here? I just want to see if
Ow!
what's on
Ow! Ow, there's something on me. Okay, I'm
here.
think you have to light it on that? You think so? Sorry, you just hear the fireworks probably. Just looking at the fireworks. We're looking at something completely else. Wow.
We're gonna light up a lantern, baby. If we do this correctly.
Alright, hold up.
So they literally just spent. They literally just spent like $2,000 in like 10 minutes, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. Just hopefully it doesn't fall. Okay.
So now what do we do?
Sliding. Wait. I think it blew out. Okay.
Did it work?
Nope.
I wonder if we have to undo this.
Look at all that black spot in the air. Ow. God dang this stupid rock. Nero. Never mind. Oh, yeah. Called it.
Screw. I said screw instructions. I kind of wish I didn't say that. Because that's insane.
Yeah, that is true.
That's why sometimes on moments that I don't know how to do
Okay,
I
it
always
should
fall.
start right now. Any second?
Don't fall. My-
Any second now? That was a good one, but
I think this might be a fail because there's a hole in it.
not really a fail. Okay, there we go. See the hole? You can see stuff. Fireworks. Come on. Just hold it. Just keep on holding it. Keep on holding it. Keep on holding it. And when it gets to a kind of point where it starts like floating by itself, to just let it go. Is it working? Doesn't look like it. Oh, started a fire. I think it should start working.
Alright.
Wait for it. Wait. If we fail this, we're done. Let's wait. Hopefully no stuff falls on the deck. If we do, we have to put it out with
Water!
no, not water. That and water. Yeah. Let's wait. Does it feel like it's lifting?
No, not at all.
No, it's not Lifton. Lifton is over there.
Oh, wait. Wait. Oh, shoot. That's getting too close to me. Wow, my God. So lifting. I think I just recorded a fail. So lifting. Oh. And kabam! Wow.
Alright, you ready?
Is it lifting?
No, because we have a hole in it, but I wonder if we could just, that'll be alright.
I think it's.
I think we have a light now.
Yeah, exactly.
That's true.
We do have light.
I'm gonna let go,
and
like,
much more
right
better
here.
content or whatever. Just don't let it go. Yeah, by the rocks. You think so? So let it go.
I would let it go by
No,
the
it's still going down.
So the metal. Oh dang, that looked cool. It sounded cool. And boom.
I hope this is a baby.
No, it should. Uh-oh. What did you do? Oh no. You just made it bigger.
Dang.
You hold it like that. Don't touch it. Is it hot?
Yeah.
Oh, I think we failed. No. So we're gonna put it out.
No, it's like not.
We should just keep it.
Whoa. Whoa. My goodness. You see that? Yeah, it's not good. Sorry guys, we just recorded a fail. No, it's not gonna lift. There's no way. We could try to lift it.
We
there's-
do have a problem because we didn't read the instructions.
We
Yeah.
have it right now, except we have a big hole.
Exactly. We started with this small hole, became a bigger, and it's done. Uh-oh. Is that a bad? Okay, it's gone. Meanwhile,
Bye-bye.
should we drop a rock on it?
Yeah, go ahead, throw a rock so it sinks.
Should we actually? Good job. And it's not sinking.
That one.
Let's throw this one. This one.
Go ahead.
You want it?
Go ahead. I have a
She
lighter right
misses
here.
completely, so- And you missed. Okay. Sorry, guys.
Light.
This might be.
It might burn.
Yeah,
Get some
sorry.
light. It's okay. It should be good enough. We should have just teared off the bottom part and just placed it on some kind of edge, like on a rock, so it doesn't burn anything. Could have done that, but no, we didn't. Let's watch out.
Will your parents let into our house?
No, we're
To play hide and seek?
no, we're leaving tomorrow. You're leaving tomorrow in the morning, right?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
No, and it burned.
Yeah, we let go and then it just went. It went. Boom.
Sorry.
We had a
No, it says
lantern.
there was a hole in it. There was a hole in it, and it
Okay,
burned
yeah.
through the hole, and then.
We didn't read the instructions.
I did it last year, and there we had it on an angle where the fire kind of got the right, and as soon as we let it go, it burnt the hole on the side and then went down.
Yeah, exactly. But the fireworks are nice. And I think she broke her tooth. She's saying. What do you mean?
I think blood.
That doesn't mean your tooth fell off. That means you just ripped
I
wiggly.
have no idea.
Is it a baby tooth? How do you not know it's a baby
I don't
tooth?
remember. I don't keep track, but I know
You should keep a track.
I lost 15 or 14.
Okay, I wanna tell you something. To the front teeth, stay in your teeth. Do your front teeth stay on your mouth forever or no? I know that one looks cool. It looks like fireflies. Ooh, orange pumpkin. Spin Halloween. Oh, Easter. Let's see. Oh, pumpkin again. Halloween. Oh, another Christmas. Christmas.
New Year's.
Oh yeah, New Year's. Whatever. Whoa, that was
Halloween.
No, that one was Easter. That one was nothing. That one was what is it called? Leprechaun Day or something like that? Oh, we like split up. What is that called? What is it? Oh, you scared the heck.
St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah, St. Patrick's Day. St. Patrick's Day.
New Year.
New Year's. Random explosions. Another. Oh, New Year's turned into Halloween. I don't know anymore.
Uh-oh.
Oh, but it went straight down. Oh, yeah. I thought that's what I thought it went.
New Year.
I watched it actually went straight down. It set it off all the fireworks. That would be such. Oh my god, 2 fails in one video. It's been a long time. I'm probably gonna cut out all the parts that we kept on talking about the thing. Oh look, it's Leprechaun's Day at the bottom. Oh, that looks cool. Oh wow. I think this is the ending. It always ends off like with a lot of them. Any second now it's gonna end. Look at all the stuff in the water. You can see them in the water. Yeah, this is definitely the ending. I know the ending. So it happened like, I've been here 5 times and it happened 5 times. I don't remember. The one at the bottom looks so just everywhere. What are those? Oh geez, yeah, this is definitely the end. I remember this. And then it ends up with like a big one going straight up. Wait for it. Where the big one at? Oh, I think that might be it. Jeez. Oh, I think that's a big one at the top. Oh, yup. That was nice. Jesus. I just want to know, how do fireworks make them like go up? Oh, yep. And the last one. Ooh. Oh, no. Another one. And boom. Oh, yeah, 2 of them. How did you even catch that?
I saw them both fight.
They actually hit each other. One of them goes straight down. Oh, wait for it. Ooh.
That looks like a sunflower.
Oh, yeah, it does. Sunflower is sunflower with green stuff in the middle instead of white, yellow. I was about to say white.
You mean brown?
Brown. In the middle.
Brown is in the middle.
Boom.
Oh, wait for it. And I think this might be the ending. Yeah.
I wish I could put my feet underwater, but I wouldn't.
Don't.
Bluegills nibble on your toes.
Imagine they actually like bite. Look, there's more fireworks still going on straight across. Like mini
Little
ones. Yeah, but these
But
ones
these
are
are bigger.
much more closer and bigger. Oh,
They're actually farther, you know.
no, they're not. That's much more farther. It's at least like 5 miles away. This one's at least like 2. How much? Like a mile is 5,000 feet. 270 something like that.
A mile is 8 blocks
8 blocks. A mile is 8 blocks.
of houses.
No way. There's no way that's
Well,
even
it
possible.
depends how close your houses are.
Exactly. They can be all come back together, and there could be like 1, 2, 3, 4, and how big the houses are, and like how lengthy, or whatever, fat.
I think this one's the ending one.
Yeah, I think so. So guys, this might be a good way to end the episode. Oh, not episode, video. Ooh, Mickey Mouse turned into a penguin. I'm gonna run out of storage. That's how long I've been
How long have you
recording.
been recording?
22 minutes. 22. That's the fastest 22 minutes of my life. But it's worth it. Seeing that? Sure, don't put it on my toe. Jordan's out. Ooh, that one looks good. And ooh. Oh, yep.
And then, pretty sure. And then the end, one more is gonna come up.
And boom.
Why are these fireworks? That's
This is the funniest thing ever. And boom.
Boom.
Ooh, that one looks cool.
It looks like a sunflower.
It looks like a guy with a lot of hair. A beard. Oh, and kadoosh.
Sunflower.
And a red one.
Or
Oh.
pink.
That's weird. Oh, pink. Yeah. Whoa. Didn't even see that one coming. My arm hurts for holding this camera for such a long time.
I've been holding it for almost 25 minutes.
Yeah, but
me
it's,
to hold it.
no, I got it.
You can only record for 27 minutes and I'll
I
stop.
know, but I gotta edit the video too.
Yeah.
On my
You
phone,
only got
you're
about
only
3
allowed
minutes
to
left.
record 16 minutes or shorter.
What? Are you kidding me? Mine is at least an hour. But then I have to edit it, so it's at least 30 minutes.
Half an hour.
Yeah, but I have to edit it. If I don't have
Video's
to.
too long.
The fireworks are still going on over there. I'm surprised.
It says video's too long to go on YouTube.
What? Oh, because you have to get their, like, you have to put, like, an email. Where did that one go? Ooh. You gotta get, like, their email.
Before I do that, it says video's too long.
Yeah, I know. 15 minutes or less because you don't have a verified email account. Ooh. I do have it verified, so I'm happy. Happy I did it earlier. Yeah. It's beautiful. Oh my god. Oh,
I wonder when this is gonna end.
probably in like 15 minutes. Whoa, that one
Where's
looks
my
cool.
head starting to move?
Your head? Like too much lights? Then get inside.
No.
My head is actually, whoa, what does that look like? Looks like KFC.
Finger looking good.
I remember the KFC commercials. That's finger looking good. Why does he say that? Because it's good and you like.
Finger looking good.
Probably because it's the size of the finger too.
No, it's not. There's no way. Those are at least like almost as size as my iPad.
Boom.
Oh wow! I called it.
Boom.
Whoa, that one looked cool. And I think might be the last one. You smell the smoke. You can literally smell it.
Yeah.
Look at the sky.
Yeah, I know it's all black.
Full of black.
Before black and
Poor
explosion.
sky.
Well, it's not really bad. It's kind of bad for this guy, but it's like the exact same time. It's not that bad. This finger looking good. What's under me? Oh,
A rock.
no, a thing.
Goodbye.
What under what?
Instructions.
Instructions that we did not read.
Instructions that have failed.
I don't even know. I just see.
What?
It's the funniest thing ever. I just see him just look at, like, screw the, what is it called? What is the instructions? And then, yeah, and then you just light the side of the thing. No, you light the bottom, but then you, like, tilted it.
Yeah.
And then it went that way. So it's like, well, that's karma.
Yeah, that's from
Well, the instructions were
Well, it's okay. There's only,
I would have done it right if I wasn't leaning in.
yeah, but it's okay.
But
Mistakes
there's always
happen.
Next time.
Yeah, I can
How
hear.
much was it?
What?
I was thinking $7.
$7 for a piece of paper and metal and a thing that always lights up for a long time. Okay, I got a question. Where does the thing actually go? Like the thing that goes straight up? Just
Well,
does
that's
it like
what the
get?
hot air is. That's what keeps it all hot inside. It'll float up.
I know. No, it's stuff.
$1,000.
I can record 5 more minutes of this. Sorry, guys.
You
I have
could
to cut
probably buy a cottage on the lake with all that money they spend on fireworks.
Exactly.
The fireworks?
But it's kind of worth it. Oh yeah, I think that was the ending. Yeah, this one's the ending. Ooh.
On
No.
4th of July, when my
Whoa.
dad and me bought fireworks, so it's actually $100.
I'll actually start going inside. Wait, go the opposite way. So guys, I'm actually turned around right now. Yeah, you probably don't see me. But anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe and like the video, please.
And
I'll
turn
see
on
you.
your post notifications.
Yeah.
Comment
see-
down in the section below and follow me or subscribe in the bio link below, I guess.
I don't even know how to do that yet. So.
Just
What is
put
it
in the
again?
Comments. You put it in the link in the comments below. You can add it when you post the video.
Oh, you gotta make me learn that. There's no way I'm gonna. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.